I can't go here. Shall you think you can stop me? Do you think you can stop me? Bia, oh Boroko, get out of my way. You think you can stop me? No, you think you can stop me. You cannot stop me. You can't stop me. Get out. Bia, if I jam you, if I jam you, get out of my way, oh. Let Frankie come out here and kill me. He will kill me today. He will kill me today. Get out.
I can't go inside. My boss has a guest inside.
Which guest? A guest the email. No, if I hear guest, I will just disappear to the thing. Oh. Is that the guest? Oh, Ndebarisi. Oh, Munku with the guest. No problem. They are guests. Yeah. All of you are this together. Yes. All of you are. Where is Frank? Can't bring him out. Okay, bring him out.
Madam, why are you holding me like this? What is it?
What is it? No, I say it. Can't bring it. I don't pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about. Let Frank come out and that money misroad. Let him come out here and bail my son. Lawyer, don't pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about. He must bail my son today now or we die here. I am Wupieba.
Madam, please. Can you calm down? Biko, can you calm down and tell me what it is? What is it?
Hey! Calm down, please. Frankie!
Honey, that's it, okay? That's it. The way I've told you, that's just the way it is. Pay her no mind. Pay her no mind.
I'm actually trying to pay no attention to her, but that's just so... Anyway, we'll let her slide. It's okay.
Yes.
It's good she's gone.
Yes. I mean, just pay her no mind, please. She's been through a lot. You know, drugs, rehab, jail. Even her business is in shambles right now, okay? So I understand her emotional torture, but however, let's forget about her, please. So Ugochi, she's still at yours?
Oh, yeah, she is. She said her people sent her away.
Okay.
She wants to come talk to you later. Please. I need you to get Onyema out. Just bail him, please.
No. Onyema, out. No! Onyema must, I say it again, Onyema must be in that police net until after the coronation. Yes, after the coronation, then maybe 3 months after, I will consider taking him to court, and then from there he will go to jail. That's the only way he'll get out of there.
3 months?
Yes, Onyema will go to jail.
Honey, we're having a discussion.
What discussion? What does he feel like? What? Because he's been there before me? He now feels he's higher than me? Huh? That's more reason I hate him. He's been here before me. He must go to jail. Jail!
That is it, my daughter. That is it. Please, beg him to release my son from the jail. Biko, he is my only son. He has succeeded in taking that girl, no problem. He should take Awele. I don't have any interest in Awele anymore. Let him take her. No problem with that. Awele bururu, yariye, oborokpokpo, yatajipueze. No problem. He should allow my son to live his life in very good peace. He's a peaceful person. Let him enjoy the peace of his life.
Mama, please, Butwo, calm down. Oh, don't worry. I will handle this matter myself. Frank, I will handle him. Don't worry. But do you know the police station?
I don't really know. But I think it should be the police station in this village. Eh? Village, yeah.
Okay, Mama, you don't have a problem. For Frank, that fool inside. Whatever he thinks he is, or that he thinks he has, I gave it to him.
You?
Yes.
You gave him the money?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, Mama, so don't worry. He's a small fry. I will handle him myself. Okay? Just get into the car and take me to the police station. Hey, open the gate. Ihe Chukwu
okura okusigo eze sinachi umibe anazokwano yazo so chukuma nkeneme onye chimereze no mego osina karaka diye mekwa ya mficha iyo soro ya be otu soro ya diri ihe chikwuru ya geme
I trust you.
Oh no.
I trust you.
Oh no. Oh
no. I always believe in you.
I know.
Oh no.
When the Son of Man was having his last supper, he made one significant statement. Also, no.
Are you trying to tell us that you are a Bible scholar?
Frank the Don has sent message through this bag. Mom, ego, abiago. So we will share it. Kebidogo from here.
Good. So how do we share the money now?
Are you asking how do we share the money? As you can see, the money has already shared itself. It is 20 million naira. And we are 4 here. Meaning it is 5 million naira each. Yes. What again?
No way. How can we share equally with Ago here? When he ran away, we were the one fighting.
Ah! What did you fight? Hey, Ago, what did you fight? Sit down. Listen, don't truncate my meeting. Don't truncate my meeting.
This Ago ought to be very greedy.
You are very greedy. Sit down. Yes, there will be war.
No way.
It's okay. Ago, you should not be talking about war here. Otherwise, you will not have a share of the money.
But tell him.
After all, you left it and ran away.
Tell him.
What nonsense are you trying to say? Sit down. Sit down.
I will take this money inside if you don't want to maintain talk. What is the problem with you people? I brought Ago in. The reason is very simple. If we don't bring him in, how do we get Onyema? And let us not lose sight of the bigger picture. The throne is still missing, and we are all here on that target. So we have to bring Ago in to draw Onyema close. Calm down.
Tell them, Amankana. Abugana must go Kabia Chitego Ndoshi.
I'll go Abonyoshi.
Apundo Kukibo Kaika.
Oh no, this is not fair. This is not fair. But it's okay. Give me my own Counsel.
Yes, we are just respecting you. And more so, this man is my brother. Anyway.
You people are behaving like kids. I was thinking that you should be thinking on how to go home with this money safely. Or do you want me to call Frank to bring some security guards?
Oh no, we have to get security.
What is happening? No, wait, I have not started. I want to share it. I want to share it.
Thank you. Ulo, now well done. Please, did you people see my mother?
God, there is nothing someone will not see in this village.
Mother, as how?
I don't understand. Why are you laughing?
Security girl.
Okay. What is wrong with me asking you girls if you saw my mother?
Why would you ask us a question? Is that why your brother is keeping us captive in this village? Yes. Be the king, he would not. Sell the throne to someone who will be capable. He would rather not.
Yes.
If I may ask you a question, why is your brother frustrating us? Yes. Tell her.
Is that what this is all about?
What else?
Is that why you're insulting me? Do you have any idea how stupid you come across asking me this question right now?
Hold it there! It's you who is stupid.
You are the one who is stupid.
It's you and your entire family gathered together. All of them are stupid.
Did you just say my family is stupid?
Yes, you.
Onye chimere se no mego Osina karaka diye mekwa ya mficha Iyo soro ya be Oto soro ya deri Iye chikuru ya geme Iye chikuru geme Iye chikuru geme
Let that Frank talk again. Let him make him. I will show him that I own him. Seriously. No bro nyara.
Sister, I thank you so much. Oh, I don't even know how to start thanking you.
Nem, thank you very, very much. In fact, I am short of words. This is sudden miracle. I didn't expect it.
Mama, Mama is okay. Mama, don't worry. Don't worry. You were all there now. I just made a call. Let them tell that Frank that I have done it. I have bailed him. You were there. Just a call to the commissioner and he was bailed. To let him come and go and make his own call. All those contacts he thinks he has, I gave them to him. So he can't do all nonsense.
Sister, I thank you once again. Just negotiate. What did I do? What have I done? A woman that have used my little income to assist in this life. Me.
It's okay, Biko. Mama, if for this case, I am interested. I want to buy this case now. So Biko, let's go and sit down. Kikoro more. I want to hear more. It's very, very stupid. I want to hear this issue. I'm interested. Please. Biko, they are not done. Thank you, ma'am.
Papa, the original Agu. The original Agu. Hey! Papa, see what I've been telling you? Does this money not look great to you?
Hey, my son, if I die, let me die. So that you and your brother will share this money and go back to the city. Bawam! Oh no, whose son was sent home by his master. So no, who has decided for us to share this money so that he can give his own son part of his own share.
Hey, Papa, you have done well. Do you know what 5 million naira will do for our life?
Papa, there's good news, oh. Papa, there's good news, oh. There's good news.
And yeah, you don't know what is happening.
What is it now? What is it?
What news could be more than the fact that we have 5 million naira in this house?
5 million naira?
Yeah.
That's good, oh.
And you're not that like I quote I said.
Papa, Akudo said she saw the throne inside the village shrine.
How do you mean?
Yes, so that's what she told me.
Papa, what are we waiting for? Let us go there and carry it at once.
Don't go there yet. Let me think over it.
Okay, I don't know. Calm down.
Papa, forget about this thing you're thinking. Let's go.
Yeah?
Come, let's go and check first.
Bye,
Papa, come.
Bye. Hurry up.
You mean it?
Mm-hmm. Yes. It's the truth. I made Frank who he is. Everything that Frank has today, the connections, the money, everything, I gave them to him. I don't know why Frank wants to dump me now and marry somebody else. At my age and level, I don't understand. But of course, I'm going to deal with him through this case. That's a promise.
This is too bad. Very, very bad. Hello. Nne, please, is there any way you can help us? Anything you can do for us?
Mama, I will do everything and even more for you. Yes, the Senate President is my father's childhood friend. I will call him. And then I will sue Frank and all the elders. I will get a court injunction to stop whatever they are doing. Let's start from there. And Oyema, be ready to be the next king.
Nne, thank you so much. I don't even know how to start thanking you. I would have become the king long before now. Just because of 3 million. Because I couldn't raise 3 million to do my coronation and the last of Fala. That's why Frank is doing all these things to me. Ogu totolom na sawama aba.
Obiam na
ri. Ogu daloma ka saricom pant.
Mama, obiam na wan. Oko obiam. Na ri mi.
Really?
I'm telling you honestly.
Is that all you need to be the king?
My dear, that's all I need though. And to get married as well. That's all I need though.
Okay. Get ready then. If you want it by next week, I give it to you.
Huh?
Guinea.
What did I hear you well?
Perfectly, Mama. You heard me well. 100%. You see, I will do anything to get back at Frank. Really. And your enemy is now my enemy. So Frank is one.
Hey!
Nay, I don't even know where to start to thank you. I mean, I'm so happy, but do not worry. I am going to pay you back very soon.
Okay. Let's wait till you become the king first.
Brother is back. Hey, brother! Brother! You came back. Mama. Hey! Brother! Hey, brother! Is this you?
Where was someone?
Hey! I'm so happy you're back, brother. I was really afraid. Hey! Hey, brother! Sorry. Hey, Mama, do you know that people have been mocking me that brother is refusing to sell the throne now and we are suffering in poverty. 2 girls even insulted me on my way back because I asked them if they saw you. Now see brother here.
Do you want to be from my destiny?
But that's sorry now.
We have good news everywhere. I'm telling you, light has come.
Yes.
And second, a light has come. You didn't even ask how he managed to come again.
Forgive me. I was happy to see brother. Hey, brother, how managed? How did you come out?
See, all these things happened because of this beautiful lady you're seeing here.
Hey, this auntie. Hey, auntie, thank you. Auntie, God bless you.
It's fine.
Hey, and you're fine.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ay, unwa ya dapo makalakam. Chelo, jiwayo.
Brother, you did not miss me.
Nalo makalakam biko chelo.
So you did not miss me, brother.
I missed you. Oh, na anda kunda jimko me tinka ko pa.
Auntie, thank you.
What are you talking about? No, Musa, what are you saying? I arrest somebody, put the person in your care, your custody, and another person gets the person out? You had a call from headquarters. Why didn't you call me? You should have called me before releasing that boy. Now look at what the boy is saying. He's saying you people are non-entities. He's making you guys a laughing stock. Yes, I agree with him. He says you people are stupid. I agree. Of course. And you know what? I'm going to deal with every one of you. Yes. Including the GPU. I'll deal with everybody. All of you, I'll make sure you are demoted to remote places. Yes, you all go to deserts in this country. Try me. Rubbish. Watch out for me. Nonsense. Okay.
Any problem?
Yes, what is it? What kind of question are you asking me now? Has there been peace since I came to this village? What question are you asking me?
Well, I just come because I want me to talk one-on-one. We relate based on how I go take this thing for here, you know. I want know as I go take the runner.
Run what? No, run what? What are you running? What is everybody even running here? Look, I'm feeling very defrauded. Yes. Oh, you people are just taking my money and doing whatever you want to do. I feel defrauded. I feel cheated. I don't even see myself just ascending that throne. My plans are not working. What is going on? What is going on here? You people are just eating my money, that's all. And you know what? I'm saying this right now. I'm saying this. If I do not become king, I will take back every single thing. And when I mean everything, every single thing I've given everybody to the last child. Yes! What rubbish is this? Everything! You think you just take my money away and do whatever? My money turns to vapor in this village? Asking me silly questions. What rubbish? You're asking me what? Instead of me to be productive and go out there and do something. Make this thing work out.
Papa, huh? Come and see it. Is it? I told you. People. Papa, I told you people. Let's go inside.
No. Calm down. Now that we know that it is here, let's go back home at night. Then we come back.
Papa, come back where? Sometimes you talk like you're not the real Ago. Don't you know there are so many people looking for this throne, and if we don't take it now, they will come here and carry it, and Frank will give them the 2 million.
See, Papa, let me tell you, even Akudo might come here and take this thing. Let's just go inside and collect it.
I know, calm down. We must do something. We must perform ritual before we enter there.
What is ritual again?
What are we performing?
Let's go.
Hey! Timo! Mama! My son! Timo! My son! Do me, man! Hey! Somebody help! Help! Give me one more! Somebody should help me! Hey! And one more! Do me one more! Onyema! Mike! Do me! Onyema! 2 million! Hey!
My children, tapa the money no passa. Tapa the money no passa. Tapa the money no passa. Yes, so tapa the money no passa. Don't you understand? Enjoy yourself. If this money finish, I will go to my bank and tell them to give me bullion van. Let me withdraw more.
Papa, you go to manager and tell manager, open the drawer and give you money. Manager of the bank will open the drawer.
I'll give them money
and give to you.
All right.
He will come.
Please, should I kill cow or should I call wine aquazo?
Papa, go and call wine aquazo. Bring us fish.
We will finish our money today. If he finishes, I will call manager. You bring volume van of more bundles. Tomorrow we are going to storm that city. Yeah. We will storm that city to see your guy. If he refuses to talk, what will enter my ear? Mbepiante.
Papa, I don't think there's a need for that.
There is need though.
Papa, you now have money now. You can give it to Uzo. Give him the 5 million. Let him start his own business.
No. My guy will settle me. We are going there. He must settle me.
Yes, he will settle you.
If he refuses to settle me, there will be war.
Madam.
Never.
Don't you trust me?
He must settle me.
You know, never.
He will settle you.
You remind me of my word. Never. He must settle my son.
Oh no.
Hey,
you know not going to ain't no better. Eh?
What happened?
Ichiago two sons got struck at the shrine today. When they went to carry the throne. Ain't no better. Hey! Oh.
Ichiago's two
Let's go to Ichiago's house now.
They got struck? Struck?
Yes!
Eh? Okay, you know what? Just quickly run along. I will join you later.
Run there's some. You're not going.
Tell them I'm coming. Right after you. I am right after you. Tell them that I am coming right now. Ichiago's son.
I see that. But you're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. Didn't you hear what he said? They went inside the shrine to carry the throne. The throne that all of you have been looking for to go and give to Frank the dog. What if you reach there now and the oracle will see and recognize your face? And you know you are the no, you're not in good time with the oracle. So there's no need that if you go in there, they will see how they will sort it out. Highest they will say that they know who did not come. Don't go.
Do you still know the road to your mother's village?
Papa, first thing tomorrow we are going to the city.
Are we going to the city? Or
from there we may call if people here that are finished dying. We will remain
to
instead we tell my sister to follow us.
But also you're wise.
Hey!
He's wise.
Hey!
Two sons of Bible died in the shrine.
Mama, please help me talk to her. I have been telling her to try and stay here with you until she decides what to do with herself. Since Frank doesn't want her back in the house, and she has refused.
Don't worry. I'll go pack for hotel.
Pack for which hotel? Gochi. The same hotel that you have been staying, you spent all the money you had. You still want to go there to continue paying bills. Why not stay here with Mama? I will have a heart-to-heart talk with Frank tonight.
We can manage here. We'll manage.
Don't worry. Don't worry. See, Awele, no fear. We go win this battle. I said we go win this battle. You go be queen last. They go crown you queen. What you will be? You hear me, so? No let anything off your spirits. Your spirit still dey hard. Cause you go win. Na Shola.
Okay.
Shola.
I've heard you.
Madi go.
Okay.
Shola.
I've heard you.
Mama? Madi move.
Alright, take care of yourself, huh? Okay. Take care.
We need to talk. But first, let me go inside and get something to eat or drink.
I'll join you. Let me just get something, even if it's a cup of water.
Drive carefully. Bye-bye.
Mama, I am so happy right now.
Hey. Hey!
I'm so happy, Mama.
Even me too, brother. Yeah, I am so happy.
Yeah.
Hey!
My own happiness is overflowing. Now, let's start our plans immediately. You can work it. Eh?
Oh no, let me go and see Ichio first. I want to ask him to help me now.
Very, very important. That's a good idea.
But brother, remember you also need to get married. How do you intend to go about that?
It's
true. Mama,
That's
I
another
know.
thing.
Do not worry yourself. I have a plan. Yes. Yota, I have a plan. But let me go and see Ichie first. Go and see him first, eh?
Hey! Brother, take care.
Oh, no.
Hey, Mama, is this how God works? Is this how God works?
Oh, to a catch him.
Mama, is this how you're going to dance during brother's coronation? Oh. Show me your wrist.
Mbasisia.
Oh yeah.
Mfenienu.
Oh yeah.
Mbasisia. Mfenienu. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Wait, you mean he promised her marriage?
I think what he promised her is even beyond marriage. Because the way he is acting, I don't know. I think he's regretting that he ever even got married to me.
Mbana, how can you say that? Regretting, Mba. Frank cannot regret marrying you.
Mama, I am the one who stays in the house with him. I know how he acts. I know the way he rapports with me. But, Mama, with the way things are going, I think we made a very big mistake.
Wait. I want to ask you something. Did he insult you or talk to you rudely or...
As a matter of fact, he hasn't spoken to me rudely. But, Mama, we still need to calculate. He told me that everything will be fine and I should calm down. But I still sense something fishy. I don't know, I still sense something.
Calm down, Awele. He told you to calm down, Awele. And I'm telling you too as your mother to calm down.
Mama, I say calm down.
Calm down, everything is fine.
You cannot be telling me to calm down. You need to be in the house and see the way this man is acting. Somebody that shouted, almost brought down the roof of his house. Asked the security man to throw Luchy out of the house. I'm telling you what happened. He was so angry. Yes.
Coach is coming back. Chimo.
Wahala. Wow, wahala. You don't boss.
What is it?
Don't boss.
What's here happen? What is it?
That same woman don't go be my brother. He don't beg.
What?
As we did here, so near my dear house.
There is problem.
I did tell you. No be there end though. Trouble number 2.com. It's here good children don't die. Stop breathing.
What happened?
I just come out here. Now I see a group of boys gather waiting the soul. They say Ichiago's son see the throne for the village shrine. Now they fast forward to carry him. He killed 2 of them.
Chimo. There is problem. Awele. It's so good.
Trouble there.
So good. Hey. Chimo.
So Onyema has been bailed.
Hey. Dead. Michi dead. Onyema bailed.
Hi. Sumi. Mike. Hi.
My brother Ago, we understand your feeling and we equally share with you. But there's nothing we can do. It's a very big blow. The gods gave and they have taken back. All you need to do is to put yourself together, take it easy and forge ahead. Or do you want to die alongside with them? Please, my brother, take it easy.
Please take heart. Take heart. Biko. I know how you feel.
kpatara m ọsọ enyemaka ọcha nọ mba n'anya ebe ka m kwụzi kedu ihe m ga-eme kpatara m ọsọ echimo zanụ anọzikwa m samo
What? How come?
I said they saw where the throne is. Just as they stepped in to take the throne, two of them were struck.
Struck?
Yes.
They got struck. And they died?
They died.
They died?
Yes, they died.
Okay. What has happened has happened.
Huh?
Yes, what has happened has happened. Life goes on. Okay? So now, how do we proceed? How do we get this through?
Chief Frank, I told you, this one is going to be very hard. Unless we find a man who is in charge of that place.
And then we make a move for it. Why are we wasting time? Why are we moving at snail speed? Let's make a move for it.
Your Majesty,
you have to make a move for this.
Chief. He is not staying in this village. We will have to go look for him so that we will know if he will bring the throne out of that.
Good. So you have to go. You have to make haste. You have to be hasty. Okay, let's not move at snail speed. You have to do this.
Your Majesty, Chief, sorry, Frank. I told you before. My son's Oga, my Oga's son. He refused to settle my son. All the years my son was with him, he enslaved that young man for so many years with that settlement. I would have been in the city by now, but I said, out of my own magnanimity, I said, no, tomorrow morning, my son and I will leave to the city. I want to know why that man was so wicked that...
Can you just stop? Are you showing me cowardice?
It's not coward. It's
Stop
settlement.
being a coward right now. Is this what is important? What is wrong with you? Why don't you stop? Don't let me tell you to shut up. Do you have such a minute brain in this skull to occupy this cap? Are you worthy of this red cap? Only the brave wear this red cap. So stop being a little crybaby of a cat and be a lion. You're known for crying out loud.
Yes.
So act like one. Is this what is important to you? Is this? I have told you this. I have told you that once I become king, again, when I'm king, I will settle your son. I'll give him 50 million naira. He'll forget about his Oga. What is wrong with you? You have vision? Listen here. We are at war. You understand me? We are at war. The lady whom I wanted to marry is at war with me. Now listen again. Do you know that she has bailed Onyema from the police net?
Hey.
Do you know that?
Hell. Chief Frank, for that lady to go there and bail Onyemeji, it means that she is powerful. Yes.
More powerful? What are you talking about? Well, powerful. Look, this is a lady I introduced to my little friends in government, and she just plays some kind of pawn chess with them. Listen here, regardless of bottom power, you know women. Bottom power or no bottom power, we cannot lose. I cannot lose to her. It's impossible.
Yes.
I'm desperate. I'm confused, but I'm still very rigid. I'm rigid.
Yes.
Yes.
Chief Frank, please. Do not allow her to win.
She can't win.
If she wins us,
yes,
we are finished.
Yes, and we cannot be finished. It's impossible. So say it proudly. Say it like you mean it. I will win.
You will win.
I will win.
You will win.
We will win.
We will win.
We are in this together. Say it.
We are in this
we are in this together. We are in this together. You say it authoritatively like me. We are in this together.
My son. They went to carry it. But it's okay. Let them go ahead. Whosoever that wants to take what belongs to me, the gods of this land is watching. They should try it again.
Yes. I told them. I warned them. But they did not give heed to my words because I'm not part of them. I sternly warned Ago. But when he diverted, I don't know. I am shocked.
That serves him right. Ichie, that serves him right. I was with him. He betrayed me because of money. But he's going to use that money to bury his own sons. Ichie, anyway, I was coming to your house. Yes, please, I need your help.
You need my help?
Yes.
But how?
Ichie, I now have what it takes to become the king of this land. So I need you to work with me.
But how possible is that? You know I'm not a member of the Igwe Council.
Ichie, yes, I know, but I am the incoming king. Huh? I'm the incoming king. I want you to become my own Owu. Ichie, I don't trust those people. I want you to work with me. I want you to help me and search the elders in this community who are reliable to work with me.
I see. In that very case, we have to sit down and talk about it. Eh?
Okay.
Let's go.
Chidera, oh, the sigo. Okura, oh, pusigo. Eze sinachi umibe anazokwano yazo. So chukuma nkeneme.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no! Are you going? We are coming to see you. Have you seen Frank?
Yes, I was with Frank not quite long ago. My people, there is fire on the mountain. Huh?
What happened? No.
As we speak now, Frank is facing a very big problem. And we elders need to be very careful.
What happened? We were coming to meet you there so we can talk on this. Me, I'm afraid though.
Me too, I am afraid. Because the lady that Frank wanted to marry is as powerful as the Queen of England. That lady is powerful. She went straight to the police station and bailed Onyemechi.
Hey.
As we speak right now, Onyemechi is inside his house enjoying. While Frank is boiling inside his house. I'm very sure that he's regretting every bit he took to marry away. The lady is bigger than him. And we are about to face a very big war.
No. It can't happen.
You said it can't happen?
It can't happen.
Okay. It's all right.
Chai. Elders. So what do we do?
Yes. I now remember. Frank told me that I should tell you, both of you, to go to that oracle's man, the man that is in charge of the oracle, to make sure that he can do everything within his reach to make sure that the throne is out of that place. Because that was the reason for our meeting. I took excuse from him that I am going to the city tomorrow morning so that I will go and see that stupid... You all know the story of my son. He came back without being settled. The stupid man, if I meet him there tomorrow, oh my God, Amadioha will be a witness, the two of us.
Oh no.
So that is...
Then who will go and do that?
He said both of you. Both of you. That's what he said. Both of you.
Oh no.
To the oracle. the oracle.
Not me. Oh no. In fact, I am going home to go and think about all this. I will not be the next to die.
We're not talking about...
See you people later. You know go?
Oh no, me too? I'm going nowhere.
Odeka, I don't understand. Odeka, why are you moving around like aeroplane? Where are you people going?
They're going nowhere.
Whether you like it or not, you will go to the oracle. Me, I'm going to the city with my son. He told you people to go.
No. What did you say? Revoked what? No, how? They revoked that? They revoked the case? Okay. Stella. Is this the way you want to fight? Stella, you're fighting dirty. Stella. Stella, you are fighting dirty. Okay.
Good evening, Frank. I'm very sure you heard me greeting you, Frank. I said good evening.
And what's good about the evening?
I need us to talk.
We need to talk about what? No, talk about what? Look, I'm not in the mood right now, you understand me? I'm not in the mood, please. Just let me sort my head out, okay? Let me sort my head out.
No, if you want to sort yourself out, then we need to talk. Exactly why I am standing here.
Woman, please. I need to sort myself out, okay? I need to sort my head. Look, can't you read my body language? Can't you read it? Can you read my body language? Look, I'm not in the mood right now, you understand me? This is what you have to do, okay? You go back to your mother's house. You stay there for some time. You understand me? Stay there for some time. I need to sort myself out. That's it. Please, do the needful. Stay there.
Oh, wait a minute. I will pretend I did not hear you say that. You're asking me to go back to my mother's house. Are you forgetting something here? No, are you forgetting that we are married?
And if I say I'm not getting married, so what? Are you going to beat me? What are you going to do? No, don't tell me. What are you going to do? Are you going to beat me up? What are you going to do? Woman, let me sort my head out, you understand? Let me sort my head out, please.
You're joking, right? I will take that as a joke. Really.
It's very unfortunate you don't know me that well. You understand me? You don't know Frank that well. When I say something, my word is so bond. I don't joke. Woman, please go back to your mother's house. That's what I said. Please.
Neither am I joking.
Look, you don't want to get me more upset than I am. Please, go back to your mother's house. Let me sort myself out. Please.
I am not going to leave, Frank. You're going crazy, acting like everything is falling apart in your world. And I'm here so that we could have a talk to curb this impending danger. And you're asking me to leave? Like I don't have a say or what? Or you think my life is not involved here?
What is my life also not involved? Is my life not also involved? What are you talking about? What? Woman, please, I'm begging you right now. Traveling. I am going upstairs to pack my things to leave just for a bit. Please, don't let me use force on you. Go to your mother's house. When I get back, I don't want to see you. Please, and don't let me use force. Go to your mother's house, please. Do not make me use force!
No. This is some sort of joke, right? Frank? Frank!
Please get out.
Hey. Papa, in that case, there's trouble.
Very big trouble. The whole idea is that all the elders are looking for a possible way to run away.
Yeah.
Yes.
I said it. I knew it would come to this. You have to pray he doesn't lose. Else, he will come after you all.
What do you mean he will come after all of us? Eh? Have I not done my best for Frank? He will come after all of us on what basis? He can go after all of them, not me.
Papa, I'm sorry, but Mama is right on.
So, I am right on this now, eh? Before. Papa is right. My brother is right. Everybody is right. Mama, I will follow them to that place. Now, you will not go and join them. Go and follow them. Go and join them.
Papa, the elders can go ahead and run or fight with Frank. It's not my business. My own is that, see, I'm still not happy. I'm still not happy. Eh? If you had agreed, we go to the city today. Where are we going?
I told you this thing before. We've discussed it. I am going to the city with you tomorrow morning. First thing tomorrow morning. Eh? I have discussed with Frank that I am not going to be in the subsequent meeting. But I am still surprised that now why took word and human miracle could be this powerful. Eh?
I mean, I'm not saying anything.
For her to react that way, and Frank is just like ice water all this while, shows that woman is, if not richer than Bill Gates.
Papa?
Eh?
Seen anything.
Papa?
You have not seen anything. This is just the beginning of what you will say. And you, Uzo, you said you will go and fight, eh? That means you have a double fight to fight.
Papa, see Frank. Frank should run, do whatever he can to win this case. Yeah, so that he will settle the youth. If not, once I go to the city, and my guy settle me, I come back here, Frank will settle me. If not, I will gather the youths. We'll burn down his house.
Don't mama me here again.
Calm down now.
Be careful. After you are in support of them before.
Then maybe when we go to the city, I will from there and go to Zakebiam.
Papa, you want to go from there? Yeah. But I will come back here and deal with Frank. He must settle the youth.
Uzo, you are still talking.
Mama, because maybe we should cook this and I'm hungry. I'm hungry, please.
Okay. Oh.
I need food. Tell him, Papa, tell Frank.
Maybe if I go to the city with you, I will from there go to Zakebiam.
Yes, I'm still here. I'm still here. You said you won't come to the house, so I'm still at the bar. Yes. I've been waiting here for over an hour. Come on, Stella. It's me now. I mean, let's talk things over, please. Let's just talk things through, please. Get the car keys before I count 5.
Frank, you need to listen to
5.
Beg, I take on them, they beg you. I don't think I'll give me this car now. I don't think give me this key. Oh. Wait. Oh, I'm not gonna give me this key. Oh.
Keep the card, please.
Come back here, my friend.
Frank, don't do me.
Get out of this house.
Frank.
Take her away from here.
Frank, you need to stop. Frank, Frank, now. Frank, see my drip now. See my... Don't show me like this. See my drip. See my drip. Hey! Frank, don't show me now. Don't show me like this.